On this episode, I want to debunk a myth. Does Jif clean truck tyres? Okay, so this long weekend, I want to paint the rims in 2-pack paint, because last time I done them in spray can, and as you can see, the gloss with the spray can, it just eventually goes away and starts looking shitty and all that. I know it's going to get damaged being a tipper, and so before we do the painting on, we need to wash them. And I thought, I've heard this myth that Jif works on tyres, so what better way to work out now than try it? So you just your standard Jif. Anyway, we'll get into it. Let's go. Alright, so I'm just going to start off with rinsing it with the pressure washer. We'll just get most bulk of the dirt off, and then we'll put Jif in the bucket and see how it goes. We'll see. This is interesting. I want to see what this does actually. So I'm thinking a couple of squirts in the bucket with water of this Jif stuff. We'll see if it foams up. I don't know what it's going to do, to be honest. And then we'll put some in the bucket, and then I'll squirt it on the rim, and we'll use the scrubber and see what happens. Anyway, let's get into it. I think that's enough. We'll see what happens. Foaming up. See if it foams up now. I don't know. We'll see. This is going to be really interesting. Well, it did foam up a bit. I'll just grab the mitt and then we'll start sponging and see what happens. Alright, so I've got the mitt. I'm going to put it in the bucket with the Jif, and we'll just go as normal. We'll see what happens. Instantly, it was just like there wasn't much. It wasn't sliding and as easy to mitt. I've noticed too, because the solution that I usually use, that's got like properties to help, you know, lubricate. But this Jif, yeah, I could feel it was always just getting stuck there, you know, and can't really tell. Apart from that, can't really tell anything. But anyway, let's jump on the tire. This is where I think people were saying it would work, on the rubber. So I might just get the Jif, squeeze it on, or on the mitt, and we'll see what happens. We'll go from there. First I'll squeeze some on here. Oh, that's not working. A bit more in there. See what happens. More. I'll put some more on there. So put some on the mitt. See what happens. Alright, so we've put the jiff on the scrubber, the hand mitt in there, in the rim, on the tyres. We'll rinse it off and we'll see what it's given us. Alright, so we've rinsed it off. We'll dry it now and see what the results are. We'll know now when this is all dried. I don't know what to expect. Okay, so we've dried it off. As you can see, the results, not too bad, I guess. There's still brown in here and there, and I don't know. In here, when I was wiping in here, I don't know, it wasn't sliding, and overall not too bad, I guess. I'd still stick with a dedicated wheel cleaner. I mean, if you're running low on cash, probably use the jiff, I guess. It's better than nothing. It's still done not too bad, but the dedicated wheel cleaner will get the job done quicker, and yeah, I don't know. But it was an interesting way of looking at it. I mean, here, and if you look there, there's still a bit brown in here, but I cleaned this section up alright. All in all, guys, just stick to a dedicated wheel cleaner, do it once, do it right, job done. Anyway, cheers, see me on the next one.